Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you have ever wanted to share your creativities to the world but weren't sure where to start, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into a step-by-step guide on how to upload your very first video. So grab a pen, a paper, and let's get started. You might have been thinking of creating content for a while now. Maybe you have incredible vlogs, tutorial, or stories you want to share. In today's video, I'll guide through the entire process, ensuring that you don't only upload your first video, but also do it the way that can attract viewers. Let's dive in. Step 1. Preparing your video. Before we get into uploading, let's make sure you are ready. First off, make sure your video file is finished and edited. You can use editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut, InShot, etc. And remember to check your video quality. 1080 pixel is recommended for a crisp look. Step 1. Preparing your video. Before we get into uploading, let's make sure you are ready. First off, make sure your video file is finished and edited. You can use editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut, InShot, etc. And remember to check your video quality. 1080 pixel is recommended for a crisp look. Step 2. Logging into YouTube. Now that your video is ready, let's log in into YouTube. Click on it. If you don't have accounts on YouTube, click on the sign up button and you follow the prompt. But if you are a member, click on this plus sign down your screen. This plus sign down your screen. That is where the magic begins. Step 4. Adding video details. Now it is time to get nitty-gritty. Add a catchy title that is reflects to your video. For an example, step by step by step guide of uploading your first video, and also remember to add relevant hashtag like example hashtag YouTube tips, YouTube tips, hashtag video uploading. Video uploading. The title is informative and engaging, and the hashtags enhance SEO. If you are finding this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Step 5. Setting privacy and uploading. You can choose how you want your video, being it public, unlisted, private. But if you are starting out, it is advised to choose public so that everyone can see your video. Once done, hit the upload button. Here is it. Hit the upload button and boom, wait for a while. Your video will be live. Boom, boom, boom. Congratulations on uploading your first video. And remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Don't forget to share your video to your social media and ask your friends to share it as well. If you find this video helpful, please share your first video link in the comment section. I will check it out. Thanks for tuning in and happy uploading. Bye.